Hi, I'm Jennifer, the founder of Experience Wildlife. And in 2026, we will be celebrating our 20th year anniversary. We have been giving exceptional experiences to people all over the world, taking you on incredible journeys to more than 20 countries. We've partnered with organizations to create materials to be used for conservation. We've been in publications. We've had images in museums, art galleries, art festivals, and something as simple as just farmers markets. We want to make our images accessible to as many people as possible. But most importantly, I want to take people on journeys to give them those experiences that will last them a lifetime. In 2026, not only are we celebrating our 20th anniversary, but we are rolling out some unbelievable opportunities. One of the things I really wanted to do was partner with other people, whether they were photographers, conservation organizations, or simply people who work in the wildlife field who are doing outstanding work. And I wanted to partner with these people to create one-of-a-kind opportunities to take you to incredible locations and allow you to really experience wildlife. One of those locations I'm very excited to announce is a partnership with Stephanie Arney. She is a former host of the Mutual of Omaha's Wild Kingdom. She's been on numerous other shows, including the Drew Barrymore Show, and she is partnering with me to take you to the Australia Zoo. We'll be working with wildlife warriors to give you everything you need to learn about conservation photography and really get your hands on some incredible subjects, be able to tell incredible wildlife stories. While we're in Australia, we'll be doing an extension tour to the Great Barrier Reef, a boat that Stephanie actually worked on as a dive guide. I've been there as well, and we're really excited to have you spend a few nights out on a boat in the Great Barrier Reef and then take you into the jungles, into some World Heritage sites and some of the most beautiful places on Earth. We're going to be doing so many different opportunities in 2026. I'm excited to announce we'll be going back to the Grand Tetons in spring and in fall. We're doing whooping crane tours, owl tours in Minnesota. We'll be going to Nebraska for sandhill crane migration, as well as Alaska, partnering with Tamron Ambassador Elise Bender to take you to see Alaska brown bears in a variety of different fishing opportunities. And lastly, we'll be adding very shortly a trip to Africa. So I can't wait to tell you a little bit more about that when all of the details are finalized. But I am just so excited to be celebrating this milestone anniversary with you. There's going to be so many things rolling out, including our brand new logo, which I will share here at the end of this video. And I can't wait to share these experiences with you in person. It's been 20 years, but we are only just now getting started. All right. I can't wait to see you in the field. And thanks for celebrating 20 years of Experience Wildlife.